Hello students, welcome back to my online class. I am your mathematics teacher Prem Prakash Shukla from LPM Public School, Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. Dear students, today we will solve exercise 1.2 from question number D. In previous day we solved question number A, question number B and question number C of same exercise. Now today we start solving from question number D. So you see the question is already written on the blackboard. The question is write the standard form of each. What we have to do? We have to write the standard form of this expanded form numerals. एक्सपांडेड फॉर्म में दिया है, हमको इसको शॉर्ट फॉर्म में लिखना है. व्हेन वी राइट द एक्सपांडेड फॉर्म नंबर्स इन शॉर्ट फॉर्म दैट बिकम्स स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म. ओके, सो यू सी द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज 5 lakh plus 2000 plus 600 plus 10 plus 1. To solve this, what we have to do? We have to make a place value chart that will make us easy to understand how we write the numbers in standard form. So you see the place value chart is already being prepared here. You see this is Indian place value system chart, that is ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. Okay, so what we have to do? We have to start from the highest place, that is 5 lakh. This is 5 lakh. So write 5 here in the lakhs place, 5. After that next value is 2000. 2000. So write 2 here. After this next is 600. Write 6 in hundreds place. Next is 10. Write 1 in tens place. And next is 1, write 1 in ones place. Now you see all the numbers are written here, but in 10,000 place no digit is given, no value is given. That's why we have to write 0. So the standard form of this expanded form is, that is 502611. That is 5,02,611. So this is your answer. Now we come to question number 2. In question number 2 you see the highest value is 70,000, then 400, then 30 and 5. So 70,000 means this digit 7 lies in the place of 10,000. So write 7 in the 10,000 place. Then 400 means 4 lies in hundreds place. And 30 means 3 lies in tens place. And 5 lies in ones place. Now you see no digit is available in thousands place, because you see no value is written for 1000. So that's why you have to write 0 here. So your answer is 70435. That is 70,435. In this way you can easily convert the expanded form into standard form. Now our next question is, you see 60,000 plus 20 plus 8. So our first value is 60,000. 60,000 means 6 lies in 10,000 place. 6 lies in 10,000 place. And next value is 20, that means 2 lies in tens place. And next value is 8, that lies in ones place. Now you see in the place of 1000 and in the place of 100 no value is available in the question. So that's why we have to write 0 in both the places. So now our answer is 60028. That is 60,000 28. So in this way, by using the Indian place value system chart, you can easily convert the given expanded form into standard form. Now come to question number 5 of the same. Write the standard form for it. Come to question number 5. In question number 5, you see the question is written like 7 crores 410 lakhs 5,200 7 tenths. So first of all, write this in number. So 7 crore means 7 crore. Yes, ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000. Sorry. Lakh, 10 lakh, crore. First write 7 crore. Okay, 7 crore. After that 4 10 lakh. That is 4 10 lakh. 4 10 lakh. 4 10 lakh means 40 lakh. 4 10 lakh means 40 lakh. After this 5,207 times, that is 70. Now write this in Indian place value system chart to get standard form. First of all, 7 crore. So in crores place write 7. After that 410 lakh means 40 lakh. 410 lakh means it is 40 lakh. That means in 10 lakhs place write 4. Then 5,000. So in thousands place write 5. And 200 means write 2 in hundreds place. And 7 tenths means 70. Write 7 in tens place. Now you see the place of lakh and 10,000 and ones have no any digit because no value is given there in question. That's why I put 0 in that places. Now our answer is 7 crore 40 lakh 5,270. So in this way you can complete remaining questions of question number D in the same way. Okay, now we come to question number E of the same exercise. In question number E, write the predecessor of each number. What we have to do? We have to write the predecessor of each number. We all know the predecessor of a number is obtained by subtracting 1 from the given number. When we subtract 1 from the given number, we immediately get its successor. So you see our first question is 40,32,121. So what we have to do? We have to subtract 1 from this number. When we subtract 1 from this number, when we subtract 1 from 40,32,121, we get the answer 40,32,120. So this is the successor of 40,32,121. Again, question number 2. Again, we have to rewrite the same number and subtract 1 from it. When we subtract 1 from it, we get the answer, that is 69,05,069. Our question is 69,05,070. So when we subtract 1 from it, we get the successor 69,05,069. Now question number 3. In question number 3, the question is 8,52,008. Now subtract 1 from it. When we subtract 1 from 8,52,008, we immediately get the answer, that is the successor. That means 8 lakh, that is the predecessor. That means 8,52,007. When we subtract 1 from the given number, this given number, we get its predecessor, that is 8,52,007. So in this way, by subtracting 1 from the given number, we get the predecessor of all the numbers. So in this way, remaining questions you can do yourself, okay, in the same way. Okay, now we come to question number F of the same exercise. In question number F, you see we have to write the successor of each number. We have to write the successor of each number. How we can find successor of any number? So when we have to find successor of any number, we have to add 1 to the given number. When we add 1 to the given number, we get its successor. So you see, first question is written here, that is 42,57,198. What we have to do? We have to rewrite the same number and put plus sign and add 1 to it. So when we add 1 to 8, we get 9. That means 42,57,199 is the successor of 42,57,198. In the same way, next question is 17,35,000. So when we add 1 to 17,35,000, we get the answer 17,35,001. So this is the successor of 17,35,000. 17,35,001 is the successor of 17,35,000. In the same way, in question number 3, you see 8. The question is 8,10,309. What we have to do? We have to rewrite the same number and add 1 to it. When we add 1 to the given number, we get its successor. So the successor is 8,10,310. So in this way, by adding 1 to any number, to the given number, we get its successor. So in this way, you can easily complete the remaining questions in the same way. Okay, now we come to question number G, which is compare each pair of numbers and put greater than, less than, or equal to sign. So in this way, what we have to do? We have to compare each pair of numbers and we have to write these signs in the boxes, in the circles. So you see, our first question is written here already. So the first step of comparing number is, first of all, we have to count the number of digits in both the numbers. If the number of digits are same, then we have to follow another process. If the number of digits is not same, that means the number with fewer digits is smaller than the number with more digits. So you see, in the first number, the number of digits is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The number of digits is 8. And in second number, you see the number of digits is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So in first number, the number of digits is 8. And in second number, the number of digits is 7. That means the number which has fewer digits is smaller and the number which has more digits is greater. So in this way, we have to put this sign. So this number is greater than the second number. The first number is greater than the second number. Now, in the same way, number 2. In number 2, you see, first you have to count the number of digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Number of digits is 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here also number of digits is 8. When the number of digits are equal, then what we have to do? We have to compare both the number from their leftmost place. Leftmost place. That means the leftmost place of this first number is ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. Crores place. In crores place, you see the digit 1 is here. And in second number, ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. And in crore place of second number also, the digit is 1. That means this is equal. Now we have to go for the second number. Now you see, this second number falls in 10 lakhs place and the digit is 4, and here also in 10 lakhs place the digit is 4. This is also equal. Now next go to the another number. After this, you see, in lakh place the number of this the digit is 3, and in lakhs place of second number the digit is 5. So 3 is smaller than 5. That means this number is greater than this number. That means our second number number is greater than first number. So we have to put this sign. So in this way you can compare the following pair of numbers. So remaining questions you can complete in the same way. Okay. Okay students, now we come to question number 8. In question number 8, you see the question is already written on the board. That is, make the smallest and the greatest number using the given digits. What we have to do, we have to make the smallest and the greatest number using the digits, and don't repeat any digit, and we no need to repeat any digit also. Okay. And you see question number 1 is written here already. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 digits. It is a 7-digit number. And what we have to do, we have to make smallest number from these all digits, and also we have to make greatest number by using the all the digits. And one thing we have to remember, that do not repeat any digit. We don't have to repeat any digit. So what we have to do? So first of all, for writing the smallest number by using the digit, what we have to do? We have to write the smallest digit on the extreme left. First of all, we have to write the smallest digit from among these given digits. So you see the smallest digit is 0, but at the beginning when we write 0, it does not have any meaning. So that's why we no need to write 0 at first. So first of all, we have to write the digit bigger than 0. The digit bigger than 0 is 1. Then we have to write 0. After that, what we have to do? Write the next smallest digit to its right. Now we have to write next smallest digit, that is 2, to its right, and next smallest digit, that is 3, to its right, and then 5, then 7, then 8. So in this way we can make smallest number by using the digits. And in the same way, when we have to make greatest number, what we have to do? We have to write the greatest digit on extreme left. From these all digits, we have to find which digit is the greatest one. So you see, 8 is the greatest one. So first of all, write 8. After that, the next greatest digit is 7. Write 7. Then 5. Then 3. Then 2. Then 1. And then 0. So in this way, we can make greatest number also by using the same digit. Now come to question number 2. In question number 2, you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 digits number is given here. First of all, we have to make the smallest number. So what we have to do? Write the smallest number on the extreme left. You see in all the digits, in the given digits, you see 0 is the smallest, but we don't write 0 at the beginning. So bigger than 0 digit is 1. So write 1. Then write 0. After that, write 4. Then 5. Then 6 and 7. So in this way, this is the smallest number we have written by using the digits. Now, and write 8 also. Yes. So in this way, we can write the smallest number by using the digits. Now, how to write greatest number? So find the greatest digit among the given digits. So the greatest digit is 8. First write 8. After that, second greatest digit is 7. After that, third greatest digit is 6. Fourth greatest digit is 5. Fifth greatest digit is 4. And sixth greatest digit is 1. And last digit, remaining digit is 0. So in this way, we can write the greatest number also. I hope this is clear to you all, and the remaining questions of this question number 8 you complete by yourself, and from question number D, E, F, G, H, all the remaining questions you can attempt in your notebook in a proper way by following the process. So thank you for watching this video. Thank you very much.